Welcome all students to our ROSE project. Myself Patil V.S. from SGM College Karad. Subject is chemistry. Today we are going to learn topic number 12, aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. This chapter contains compulsory marks 6 and marks with option is 8. Now, in this chapter, we are going to study the organic compounds containing carbon-oxygen double bond, and this carbon-oxygen double bond are called as carbonyl group. Both aldehyde and ketones contains carbon-oxygen double bond as their functional group. Therefore, they are called carbonyl compounds. Now, let us see what is meant by aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. First, we will see what is meant by aldehyde. In case of aldehyde, the carbonyl carbon is bonded to one hydrogen atom and one alkyl or aryl group, except formaldehyde. In case of formaldehyde, the formula of a formaldehyde is HCHO. In this case, here the carbonyl carbon, the valency of carbonyl carbon are satisfied by hydrogen atoms, and therefore this is exceptional case. The functional group of aldehyde is CHO, and this functional group is known as formyl group, or this is also known as aldehydic carbonyl group. Then what is meant by ketone? In case of a ketone, carbonyl carbon, this is a carbonyl carbon is bonded to two alkyl groups or two aryl groups. Here these two alkyl groups may be same or different. Then functional group of ketone is C double bond O, and this functional group is known as ketonic or oxo group. This is known as ketonic or oxo group. Then what is meant by carboxylic acid? These are the organic compounds containing one or more carboxyl group in their molecule are called as carboxylic acid. Here this is COOH. Functional group of carboxylic acid is COOH. And this COOH group means carboxyl group is a combination of carbonyl group means C double bond O group and hydroxyl group, that is OH group. Then next point is classification of aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. First we will see the classification of aldehyde. Here aldehydes are classified in two ways, aliphatic aldehyde and aromatic aldehyde. First we will see aliphatic aldehyde. In case of aliphatic aldehyde, the compound in which CHO group, the CHO group is known as formyl group. This CHO group is attached directly to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, that is a saturated carbon atom, then this is called as aliphatic aldehyde. Here for example, CH3CHO. This is the formula of acetaldehyde. In this case, here this CHO group, or this is also known as formyl group. This formyl group or CHO group is directly attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, means saturated carbon atom, means this carbon atom is bonded with hydrogen atom by a single bond. Then this is called as saturated carbon atom. Therefore, this is called as aliphatic aldehyde. In case of propionaldehyde, formula is CH3CH2CHO. In this case, here this CHO group or formyl group is directly attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, or this is known as also saturated carbon atom. Then this is called as aliphatic aldehyde. But except formaldehyde. In case of formaldehyde, formula is HCHO. Here this CHO group is not attached to the carbon atom. Therefore, this is exceptional case. Then we will see the next point here, aromatic aldehyde. In case of aromatic aldehyde, the compound in which the CHO group is directly attached to aromatic ring. Then this is called as aromatic aldehyde. For example, here benzaldehyde. In case of benzaldehyde, CHO group is directly attached to this aromatic ring and therefore this is called as aromatic aldehyde. Here this CHO group is directly attached to the aromatic ring and therefore this is called as aromatic aldehyde. In case of salicylaldehyde, here CHO group and OH group is attached to this aromatic ring. Then here the CHO group is attached to the aromatic ring, then this is called as aromatic aldehyde. This is the formula of salicylaldehyde. Then next point is classification of ketone. Here ketones are classified in two ways, aliphatic ketones and aromatic ketones. Also aliphatic ketones are again classified into two types. Here symmetrical or simple ketones and unsymmetrical or mixed ketone. Then see one by one. First, ketones are classified into two types, that is aliphatic ketone and aromatic ketone. First we will see aliphatic ketones. Here the compound in which C double bond O group is attached to two alkyl groups, then they are called as aliphatic ketones. Here this is the C double bond O group. This is also known as oxo group or ketonic group. Then this C double bond O group is attached to two alkyl groups. Then this is called as aliphatic ketones. Depending on the number of alkyl groups, nature of alkyl groups, aliphatic ketones are again classified into simple or symmetrical ketone and mixed or unsymmetrical ketone. In case of simple or symmetrical ketone, the ketone in which both the alkyl groups bonded to carbonyl carbon are identical, then they are called simple or symmetrical ketone. Here this two alkyl groups, that is a methyl, this is a methyl group, this is also methyl groups. These two methyl groups means these two alkyl groups directly bonded to the carbonyl carbon are same, then this is called as simple or symmetrical ketone, that is a dimethyl ketone. This is also known as acetone. Then see example number 2. Here C2H5, C double bond O, C2H5. In this case, here both alkyl groups C2H5 and C2H5, both alkyl groups attached to the carbonyl carbon are same, then this is called as simple or symmetrical ketone. This is ethyl group, also this is ethyl group. Therefore, the name of this compound is diethyl ketone. Then what is mixed or unsymmetrical ketone? In case of mixed or unsymmetrical ketone, the ketone in which two alkyl groups bonded to carbonyl carbon are different, then this is known as mixed or unsymmetrical ketone. Here, for example, ethyl methyl ketone. Here this is ethyl group, this is a methyl group, means two alkyl groups bonded to the carbonyl carbon are different and therefore this is known as mixed or unsymmetrical ketones. Here ethyl methyl ketone. See another example, C2H5, C double bond O, CH2, CH2, CH3. This is a ethyl group and this group is known as propyl group. This carbon chain is straight and therefore this is known as, the prefix N is used, therefore N-propyl means ethyl N-propyl ketone. Here two alkyl groups, this is a ethyl group, and this is a propyl group. These two alkyl groups bonded to the carbonyl carbon are different, and therefore this is called as mixed or unsymmetrical ketone. Then aromatic ketones. In case of aromatic ketones, the compound in which a C double bond O group is attached to either two aryl groups or one aryl and one alkyl group are called as aromatic ketones. Here, the compound in which the C double bond O group is attached to the two aryl groups. This is one aryl group, this is another aryl group. These two aryl groups mean this is a phenyl group, also this is a phenyl group. The name of this compound is diphenyl ketone. Here the carbonyl carbon means ketonic group, that is C double bond O group, is attached to aryl groups, then this is known as aromatic ketone. See another example, that is acetophenone. Here this is a methyl group, this is a phenyl group, therefore this compound is also known as methyl phenyl ketone. In this case, here C double bond O group is attached one alkyl group and one aryl group. Then this is known as aromatic ketone. Then we will see the next point, classification of carboxylic acid. This carboxylic acid are classified in two ways, that is aliphatic carboxylic acid and aromatic carboxylic acid. First we will see aliphatic carboxylic acid. In case of aliphatic carboxylic acid, the organic compound in which carboxyl group means COOH group is bonded to an alkyl group, then this is called as aliphatic carboxylic acid. The organic compounds in which carboxyl group is bonded to an alkyl group, then they are called aliphatic carboxylic acid. For example, here CH3COOH. This is a carboxyl group. COOH means carboxylic group. This carboxylic group is bonded to alkyl group, that is the CH3 group. Then this is called as aliphatic carboxylic acid. This compound, name of this compound is acetic acid. Then another example is CH3CH2COOH. Here this COOH group is bonded to alkyl group. CH3CH2, this is a ethyl group. Then this compound is known as aliphatic carboxylic acid. Name of this compound is propionic acid. Then depending on the number of COH group present in the carboxylic acid, the carboxylic acids are classified into monocarboxylic acid, dicarboxylic acid and tricarboxylic acid. In case of monocarboxylic acid, this carboxylic acid contain only one COOH group in their molecule. Then this is called as monocarboxylic acid. For example, HCOOH. Here, this compound contains only one carboxyl group in their molecule. Therefore, they are called as monocarboxylic acid. Here, CH3COOH. The name of this compound is acetic acid. Here, this contains only one COH group in their molecule and therefore this is called as monocarboxylic acid. That is, this is acetic acid. Then let's see dicarboxylic acid. Here, this compound contains two carboxyl group in their molecule. Then this is called as dicarboxylic acid. That is COOH. Name of this compound is oxalic acid, which contains two carboxyl group in their molecule. Then this is called as dicarboxylic acid. Then next, tricarboxylic acid. In case of tricarboxylic acid, here CH2COOH. COH and CH2COOH. Name of this compound is citric acid. In this case, here 3 carboxyl groups are present in this molecule and therefore this is called as tricarboxylic acid. Then aromatic carboxylic acid. What is aromatic carboxylic acid? These are the compound in which one or more carboxyl group are attached directly to the aromatic ring. Then this is called as aromatic carboxylic acid. Here this is a COOH group, means carboxyl group are directly attached to this aromatic ring. Then this is called as aromatic carboxylic acid. This is the example. COOH group is directly attached to this aromatic ring. The name of this compound is benzoic acid. Then see second example. Here this is COH group attached to this aromatic ring. Also this is the COH group also attached to this aromatic ring. Means here 2 COH groups are attached to the aromatic ring. Then this is known as aromatic carboxylic acid and name of this compound is phthalic acid. See the nomenclature of aldehyde. This nomenclature of aldehydes, there are 2 systems of naming aldehyde. First system is common name of aldehyde. In case of common name of aldehyde, they are derived from the corresponding common name of carboxylic acid by replacing IC acid by aldehyde. For example, here HCHO. Here corresponding acid is formic acid, HCOOH. Here IC acid is replaced by aldehyde. Therefore, name of this compound is formaldehyde. Then see second example, CH3CHO. Here corresponding acid is, name of corresponding acid is acetic acid. Formula is CH3COOH. In this case, IC acid is replaced by aldehyde. Therefore, name of this compound is acetaldehyde. Then see third example, CH3CH2CHO. Here corresponding acid is propionic acid. In this case, here IC acid is replaced by aldehyde. Therefore, name of this compound is, common name of this compound is propionaldehyde. Then here the position of the substituent in the carbon chain are indicated by Greek letters alpha, beta, gamma and delta. See this compound here, CH3, CH, Br, CH2, C double bond OH. In this case, here the position of the substituent in the carbon chain are indicated by the Greek letters alpha, beta and gamma. Here Br is a substituent group. This is attached to this carbon chain. Then that time, in case of common system, here Greek letters alpha, beta, gamma is used. Here alpha carbon atom means a carbon atom which is attached to the functional group. Then that carbon atom is known as alpha carbon atom. The next carbon atom is known as beta carbon atom. Here in this compound, this is a alpha carbon atom, this is a beta carbon atom. Here in beta position, Br group is attached, means bromo group is attached. Therefore, beta bromo, this is the derivative of butyric acid. IC acid is replaced by aldehyde and therefore the name beta bromo butyraldehyde. Means IC acid is replaced by aldehyde. Therefore, butyric acid, here IC acid replaced by aldehyde. Therefore, beta bromo butyraldehyde. Then in case of IUPAC name, the following rules are used to obtain the IUPAC name of aldehyde. First rule is the aldehydes are named as alkanal by replacing E of an alkane by Al. Select the longest continuous carbon chain containing CHO group. Then third rule is the carbon of CHO group is always numbered 1. The next rule is if two CHO groups are present in the compound, then suffix dial is added to the parent alkane. Here E of alkane is retained. Then see one by one example. First we will see common name. Here we know that first compound, that is HCHO. This is the corresponding acid is formic acid, then IC acid is replaced by aldehyde, therefore the common name is formaldehyde. Second compound is CH3CHO. Here corresponding acid is acetic acid, then IC acid is replaced by aldehyde, therefore the name acetaldehyde. Third example is CH3CH2CHO. This is the derivative of propionic acid, then IC acid is replaced by aldehyde, therefore the name propionaldehyde. Then see fourth example, that is CH3CH2CH2CHO. Here 4 carbon atoms are present and this is the derivative of butyric acid, then IC acid is replaced by aldehyde, therefore the name butyraldehyde. But here carbon chain is straight, therefore the prefix N is used. Therefore name of this compound is N-butyraldehyde. Then see fifth example, CH3CH2CH2CH2CHO. This is the derivative of valeric acid. Then IC acid is replaced by aldehyde, therefore the name valeraldehyde. But here carbon chain is straight, therefore the name, that is here prefix N is used and the name of this compound is N-valeraldehyde. Then see sixth compound, CH3CH2CH CH3CHO. In this case, here the position of substituent groups, position of these substituent groups are named as, or this is used as the Greek letters alpha, beta and gamma. In case of this carbon atom, a carbon atom which is attached to this functional group, that carbon atom is known as alpha carbon atom. The next carbon atom is beta carbon atom. The next carbon atom is gamma carbon atom. Here, in case of alpha carbon atom, methyl group is attached. Therefore, alpha methyl. Here 4 carbon atoms, this is the derivative of butyric acid and IC acid is replaced by aldehyde, therefore the name, that is butyraldehyde. Therefore alpha methyl butyraldehyde is a common name. Then see example number 7, here CH2 double bond CH CHO. Here total 3 carbon atoms are present. In first carbon atom, here in between CH and CHO group, single bond is present, and at position number 2, double bond is present, then that compound is known as acrolein. This is the common name of acrolein. Then see example number 6, here CHO. In this case, this CHO group is known as aldehyde group and oxo group is attached to the aldehyde group and therefore the name oxoaldehyde, or this is also known as glyoxal. Then see 9th example. Here in this case, CHO group is attached to this aromatic ring, or this is a benzene ring. The name of this compound is benzaldehyde. Then compound number 7, here CHO group is attached to the benzene ring, means aldehyde group is attached to this benzene ring. Also CH3 group is attached to the benzene ring. Here if CH3 group is attached to the benzene ring, then this is known as a toluene. Here CHO group is attached to the ortho position of this benzene ring. Therefore this is known as orthotolualdehyde. Then compound number 11, CHO group is attached to the benzene ring. Also OH group is attached to this benzene ring. The name of this compound is salicylaldehyde. Then see IUPAC name. First compound is HCHO. Here only one carbon atom is present in this compound. Therefore, this is the derivative of methane. Therefore, E is replaced by Al. Name of this compound is methanol. For naming IUPAC system, here select first longest continuous carbon chain containing CHO group. Then this CHO group contains number always numbered as 1. In second example, only 2 carbon atoms are present and this is the derivative of ethane. Then E is replaced by Al. Therefore, the name of this compound is ethanol. Third example, CH3, CH2, CHO. In this case, this is the carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3. This is the derivative of propane. Then E is replaced by Al. Therefore, name of this compound is propanol. Here name of this compound is propanol. Then fourth example, CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO. In this case, total 4 carbon atoms are present. This is a carbon number 1. The carbon of CHO group is always numbered as 1. Therefore, this is carbon number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Means this is the derivative of butane. Then E is replaced by Al. Therefore, the name of this compound is butanol. Then compound number 5. That is CH3, CH2, 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 CHO. The carbon of CHO group is always numbered 1. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total carbon atoms are 5. Therefore, this is the derivative of pentane. Then E is replaced by Al. Therefore, name of this compound is pentanol. Then see example number 6. Here CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CHO. First select the longest continuous carbon chain containing CHO group. Then the carbon of CHO group is always numbered as 1. In this case, this CHO group contains number 1, this is number 2, number 3 and number 4. Means this is the derivative of butane. Then E is replaced by Al. Therefore, the name butanol. But at second position, methyl group is attached. Therefore, 2-methyl butanol. The name of IUPAC name of this compound is 2-methyl butanol. Then see example number 7, that is CH2 double bond CH, CHO. In this case, here total carbon atoms are 3. Means this is the derivative of propane, but here double bond is present. Means here ANE is replaced by ENE and double bond is present at position number 2. Therefore, prop2En and aldehyde group is attached. Therefore, in case of ENE, E is replaced by Al. Therefore, prop2EnAl means prop2enal. Then see next example. Here CHO. In this case, here double bond. In this case, here 2 carbon atoms are present. And therefore, this is the derivative of ethane. If 2 CHO groups are present in the compound, then E of alkane is retained and the suffix dial is used. Here CHO, 2 aldehyde groups are present. Therefore, suffix dial is added to the alkane and E of alkane is retained. Means here ethane diol. 2 carbon atoms, therefore ethane, E of alkane is retained. Here 2 aldehyde groups are present, therefore diol. Then see compound number 7. Here the CHO is attached to this benzene ring. If CHO group is attached to the benzene ring, then that compound is known as benzaldehyde. Here this is a benzaldehyde. Common name of this aldehyde is benzaldehyde. Also, this is accepted in IUPAC name, that is benzaldehyde. If CHO group is attached to the aromatic ring, then this is known as benzene carbaldehyde. Means CHO group is attached to the ring, then this is known as carbaldehyde. Here benzene carbaldehyde. Then see example number 7. CHO group is attached to the benzene ring. Also CH3 group is attached to this benzene ring. This is the position number 1. This is position number 2. In second position, methyl group is attached, and this is the derivative of benzaldehyde, and therefore 2-methyl benzaldehyde. Then see example number 11. This aldehyde group or formyl group is attached to this benzene ring. Also OH group is attached to this benzene ring. This is position number 1. This is position number 2. This is the derivative of benzaldehyde. If CHO group is attached to the benzene ring, then this is known as benzaldehyde. At position number 2, hydroxyl group is attached. Therefore 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde. Thank you.